First, estimate the answer, then multiply to find the exact answer. Simplify. So we want to multiply the two mixed numbers 1 and 5/6 times 4 and 1/3. Let's begin by finding an estimate. 1 and 5/6 can be rounded up to 2, and 4 and 1/3 rounded down to 4. So a good estimate is 2 times 4, or 8. Now let's find an exact value. We're going to change 1 and 5/6 from a mixed number into an improper fraction. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11, 11 over 6, times 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13 over 3. Now multiplying across the top, we have 11 times 13. If you're doing this in your head, 13 times 10 is 130, plus 13 more is 143. And 6 times 3 is 18. This is an improper fraction. If we want to change this to a mixed number, we divide 18 into 143. 18 goes in 143 7 times, with 17 left over, giving us an exact answer here of 7 and 17 over 18, which is very close to our estimate of 8.